Hello and welcome to PHOTOPLAY Paper. I'm Amy Sonneman and today I get to share with you the America the Beautiful collection designed by Michelle Coleman. This collection is a mini collection that includes the collection kit with 6 beautiful papers, as well as a 12 by 12 sticker sheet, an ephemera pack, and 2 stencils. Let's jump in and take a look at all of the pieces in this collection. This mini collection includes 6 of each of the papers. You will get 2 of each of those papers in your collection kit, as well as the sticker sheet. So all of those pieces come in a collection kit. Let's take a look at each of the papers so that you can see how beautiful they are. This paper is called Liberty. It includes 12 3x4 cut-aparts with lots of fun designs, as well as some great sayings that you can use in your albums as well as on cards. The back of that paper has this navy blue and white plaid with just hints of speckles of aging to give it kind of that vintage old style. I think what I like most about this set of papers is that you can use it for 4th of July, but if you have a military family, if you have military service members that you want to scrapbook their photos and their experiences, this would be a great collection for that as well, because there are enough pieces in this set that you don't have to use it just for the 4th of July, which I kind of like that a lot. It's very versatile. This paper is called Celebrate with these beautiful fireworks in the background. The background is more aged. It's not white, it's more of an off-white, as you can see down here. It's just got a little bit more of that vintage feel, old style, roughed edges, kind of wood underneath. This is a navy blue paper with fun white stars, and then you can kind of just see little bits of aging along the edges. This paper is called Barbecue, and on one side you have these beautiful blue and white and red florals that has a hint of, America, Americana, as well as 4th of July, but it doesn't scream 4th of July, and I love that. And if you have a female military member, this would offer great options for giving it a little more femininity to the pages that you scrapbook, so that's kind of fun. The back of that has a fun plaid in the red, white, and navy. This paper is called Land of the Free, and it includes a few more cut-aparts as well as some borders. You have a title that you can cut apart, some smaller titles. You have both vertical and horizontal 4x6 elements to use in a pocket page or on a card or in your scrapbook. The back of that has this red, white, and blue stripe. Again, the fun aged elements that are in each of the pieces, which give it that fun vintage look. This paper is called USA. It has another floral background, which is absolutely stunning with the reds, the blues, the whites, and then this kind of teal color, which is fun to kind of add in to make it not look just 4th of July. I can see myself using this paper for other things, not just the 4th of July. The back has this fun diamond pattern. You can see the little bits of aging as well. The last piece of paper is called Old Glory, and you've got the red and white stripes of the flag on the front side, and on the back you have 4 4x6 cut-aparts that you can easily use to create a 4x6 album, as well as cut them apart for cards. You can mix and match these with the ephemera for beautiful elements on a page, great for tags, and so forth. The last piece in the collection kit includes the element stickers, which is a 12 by 12 sheet that has just tons of different options for stickers, including family time, lots of words, great elements, some fun balloons tied to a bike, both banners. Love this banner on the bottom. Some 4th of July stickers, as well as camp chairs and a cooler, the barbecue. Lots of fun things to allow you to add to your pages. The last piece in this collection is the ephemera pack. It includes 26 mix and match pieces that work beautifully with all of the papers in this collection. It includes fun titles, tags, tabs, tickets, frames, and so much more. You can easily add foam tape to these as well to create beautiful 3D embellishments. This collection also includes 2 beautiful Mylar stencils. They're nice and thick, perfect for ink blending, perfect to use for adding mixed media pastes and glitter pastes. The first one is the fun fireworks with a few different sized stars. And then the second one includes pieces to make the flag. You can make a one-dimensional flag by ink blending, or you can add glitter pastes and mixed media pastes in any color to make a 3-dimensional sparkly flag as well. That is the America the Beautiful collection, perfect for the 4th of July, as well as military scrapbooking, mini albums, layouts, cards, and so much more. We hope you have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, share, and leave a message.